We all love the arrival of a new gadget, something that will make life more convenient and entertaining for ourselves, or help us out with a clever gift idea for a family or friend. That's why we've put together some of the most interesting and innovative bits of tech out there right now in our list of the coolest new gadgets we think you'll love. So pack your seatbelt and dive into the world of gadgets. Welcome to Gadget Explorer, explorer of the world of gadgets. Wouldn't it be great if you could never have to worry about plugging in your phone again? With a magnetic wireless charger, you can. This nifty device simply attaches to the back of your phone or case and charges it wirelessly. With most magnetic wireless chargers on the market, they are either too big or not flexible enough, which complicates traveling with multiple electronic devices. In order to make the magnetic wireless charger more convenient and user-friendly, we developed a new compact with a flexible design that could be adjusted to every angle of the bracket and carry it with ease. The magnetic wireless charging metal stand is a compact and portable device that can be adjusted to suit your needs. A high-speed wireless charger can be easily carried during travel or business trips. You can magnetically snap the device onto the charger stably and securely, and release your hands for other uses. Capsule Gravity is a time manager that can be used as a multi-purpose digital clock and 3-in-1 timer, clock, Pomodoro timer, countdown timer, timekeeper, and alarm clock. Simply flip it over to boost productivity instantly. In addition, you can stay powered up while on the go with its 20W charging output and 5000 mAh battery capacity fast charging. Use it to power all electronics easily. Capsule Pro is a great companion for time-lapse, panorama, 360-degree photography, and videography. It will impress you with its ease of installation and use, as well as its powerful features. It is now very easy to take motion shots, whether single-axis or multi-axis. Time-lapse has always been one of the most compelling videos for anyone to watch. If there's anything more appealing than time-lapse, it's motion time-lapse. Now you can easily add pan or tilt motion to your time-lapse videos thanks to Capsule Pro, and even linear motion by combining it with a myopia slider. Capsule Pro is also ideal for panorama shots. Adjust the angle you want to shoot, whether single-axis or multi-axis, and let Capsule Pro do the rest. All you have to do is to combine the photos taken with great precision and create that unique photo. Doka is a smart mouse to simplify your workspace and improve your reach and navigation through your favorite shortcuts and software tools. Video editing, music composing, VFX, 3D modeling and color editing has never been this easy. Connect your Doka smart mouse to your Windows or macOS-based computer via Bluetooth 5.2 or 2.4 GHz RF USB receiver dongle and make your desktop smarter. Doka Smart Mouse allows you to select your favorite tools in your editing, coloring, music, VFX or 3D softwares. You can assign every tool you need with Doka software, compatible with Windows and macOS. Just drag and drop your favorite tools in your Doka software and speed up your work. Doka Smart Mouse allows you to assign most of the tools, filters and effects as shortcuts on your mouse touch display. You can simply lift up your hand, select the shortcut you want to use, just click on it and continue working on your project. Lana is a fully automated mower robot. It is capable of setting virtual boundary lines, dividing work areas, and arranging optimal work schedules on its own using visual AI. It doesn't require buried perimeter wires like first-gen autonomous mowers and doesn't leave a mess behind like traditional push mowers. You don't even have to bend down to adjust the cutter height. All the operations can be done via the app right on your phone. With Lana, you can free yourself from the hassle of lawn maintenance, have more time to relax, and still have the most beautiful lawn in your neighborhood.